Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 9 traits of a deep thinker. The person who is a deep thinker tend to think about every and each thing. When everyone is seeing only the outer surface, a deep thinker might think about inner surface layers too. When an ordinary individual is only looking at big picture, a deep thinker might look small details of it. So here in this video, we will share some prominent qualities of a deep thinker. Number 1. Introverts. Deep thinkers are introverts, reserved and quiet. If you are a person who spends a lot of time alone, enjoys your own company, don't go outside and socialize with others, you are introvert and deep thinker too. They think about all aspects of a problem before coming to a conclusion. Number 2. Forgetful. One of a big reason for being forgetful is you have thoughts all the time in your mind. You might think of everything, even when doing chores or performing day-to-day activities. A deep thinker may forget where he kept his keys. A deep thinker might also forget important events. Due to this, people in their lives may take them wrong or may think they are arrogant, but the fact is not the same. They are extremely down to earth. Also, they don't open themselves to others. Number 3. Empaths. Because of their deep thinking abilities, they understand well the other person's situation and feelings. They are best to be friends with because they will not only understand your emotions well but also they will support you morally whenever you need it. Number 4. Observer. Deep thinkers observe each and every aspect deeply. They talk less and listen more. They try to see each aspect when finding a solution to a problem. They don't pass judgment at once like many others do. They take time to gather facts before taking any decision. They will come out with best possible results. Number 5 is curious. Deep thinkers are very curious about the world around them. They always try to find reasons behind everything. They will come up with questions like what, when, and how. They want to explore more and more about each topic you give to them. They never need anyone to entertain them. They need only one person to share their lives. They will come up with new, unique, and quite interesting ideas. Number 6 is problem solver. Because of their deep thinking abilities, they are excellent problem solver. Whenever a difficult situation arises, they will try to solve it in many different ways. Do you know any person around you whom you call every time when you are in trouble? Because of their ability to solve problems, they will instantly solve your problems and you might be wonder why this idea didn't come into your mind. Number 7. They don't care for small talk. A deep thinker will never involve in conversation what you are doing or what is your favorite dish. A deep thinker would like talk about the more intense topics like what is the purpose of life. They will only speak when they have something important to talk about. An ordinary person finds it difficult to go along with a deep thinker. They don't care about materialistic things. They will give you always genuine advice. They will show more care and love towards you as a partner. Number 8. Imaginative. Deep thinkers are imaginative. They love to imagine things and situations. They are daydreamers. They can imagine themselves just like fairy tales, either in the role of Prince Charming or the princess. They will even think about the scenarios where they might be hero and saving someone's life. They even imagine of thrilling activities they want to do in their lives. They love to learn. Deep thinkers are great learners too. All the big names of history were also deep thinkers and learners as well. They love to read books and documentaries. They have in-depth thirst for knowledge. They will learn each and everything deeply, whatever their subject is. So, have you noticed any of mentioned qualities in you? Are you a deep thinker or not? Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe our channel. Up till next video, take care.